Hello, this is my second presentation using Minitab Express. First, I'm going to open the file that we worked on in the first presentation. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Open Recent and open my Minitab Express. So as you recall, we generated 1,000 integers ranging from 50 to 100. We saved it in column C1. We standardized it, and we also sorted the data. We went ahead and we did some basic calculations, finding the mean, standard deviation, variance, and a bunch of other things for the data stored in C1. Now, what I want to do now, I want to select 50 numbers from these 1,000 numbers that are stored in C1. And to do that, we're going to go to Data. We're going to go to Sample from Columns. And then I want to pick my data stored in C1. And the numbers that I want to select would be 50. And I'm going to choose the option with replacement and then press OK. So this is the samples from the mail. We can rename this. If I just click under C4, I can type sample, colon, and then mails. So I know that this is a sample that I selected from the mails. I'm going to do a quick basic descriptive statistics. For that, I'm going to go to Statistics. I'm going to go to Summary Statistics, to Descriptive Statistics, and I'm going to now pick my column C4 and put it into the variable row. I'm going to go to Statistics. I'm going to pick Mean, Standard Deviation, Variance, Range, interquartile range, mode. I don't need to know what n is. I already know I have 50 numbers, and then I'm going to say OK. So this result is for the 50 numbers that we randomly selected from the 1,000 numbers that they were in C1. Okay, now what I want to do a confidence interval. For that, I'm going to go to Statistics. I'm going to go to one sample inference and using T. And I'm going to use the information in C1, in C4. And data is stored in column. And if I look at the option, I have the confidence interval. I can pick, let's say 99% and say OK. And this is my confidence interval for this samples that I have stored in C4. Let's do a quick graph as well. Let's go to graphs. I'm going to pick the histogram. I'm going to pick the simple histogram. And I'm going to use C4 and then press OK. So this would be my histogram. Now in Minitab Express, we're unable to change the number of classes, but for right now, this is what we're working on. So this is a histogram of the sample of males. And if you go on top of each bar, you can see that, how many numbers are in each one. Now, on the navigation section of the display, the one that it says Navigator, if you right-click, that allows you to see the options available. You can copy this. You can export it, you can delete it, or you can even print it. Same goes for the other ones. So I'm clicking on the descriptive statistics. I can right click and copy the result and put it into a Microsoft Word if I plan to make my report. I hope this presentation helped you guys as well, and good luck with your project.